Hi, everybody. I'm Chad Aaron with the Aaron team and HomeSmart. Wanted to go over a quick story I heard from one of my title reps the other day regarding wire fraud. Something that we don't actually run into that often, but this story was relayed, so wanted to present it, let everybody know that it is involved in a real estate transaction to certainly be aware of. Basically, a long story short is that a fraud person will hack into a person's email, a client's email address, be looking for wiring instructions from a title company, something like that. Then they'll go in and mimic that title company and send that person a new email with updated wiring instructions. A little tweak, they change the routing number and the account number, and then you go to send your down payment, something of that nature, and it actually does not go to the title company, it goes to the fraud's account. Kind of a scary thought because it looks like it's coming from the title company with all of their information, and it's all because they basically got into that person's email, found the instructions, duplicated them, knew exactly what they looked like, and just tweaked the numbers. So, and then nobody really knows until all of a sudden, the title company doesn't have the money to close, and it is game over, unfortunately. So, at any rate, the easy fix to this is if you are going to be wiring money, make sure that you verbally confirm the instructions from the title rep, from an agent, somebody that whoever sent you that. Don't just rely on the email that was sent to you. So, always happy to clarify anything in here. Don't want to make it a doomsday kind of attitude, but just something to be aware of that is unfortunately happening in the industry. So, any questions on that, you can always reach me directly on my cell phone, 602-740-2074, or shoot me an email or a text. Thanks.